everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of sound on Clash of Clans. To know how to fix or how to solve sound on Clash of Clans, you should just go to settings. Here you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then you will enter to Clash of Clans and you can click. Here you will enter to first stop and you can click OK. Then you will enter to storage. Here you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors in your app. In the end, you can go to Play Store. You can search about Clash of Clans. If you'll find here updates, you can click to update your app. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video. And thank you for your attention and your watching.